Attack on Titan and Fullmetal Alchemist are fighting over MyAnimeList's first spot on the top anime list, despite one of them still being in the air. What is the best anime of all time? Everyone will have their own answers to this question. But looking at the users' rating on MyAnimeList offers an idea of what the most popular answers are. According to MyAnimeList, the most popular picks are two dark shonen epics, Attack on Titan and Fullmetal Alchemist Brotherhood, and it's dead heat over which one will eventually prove a long-term favorite. Fullmetal Alchemist Brotherhood has topped MyAnimeList rankings for years, but Attack on Titan temporarily unseated it in the midst of the 4th season. Many anime fans will agree that Attack on Titan and Fullmetal Alchemist Brotherhood are both top-tier titles, but as for the writing, one of them is more deserving on the number 1 spot than the other, for now at least. So first let's take a look at Attack on Titan's rise to fame. Based on the manga by Hajime Izayama, Attack on Titan is now in its 4th and final season, continuing to shock viewers with its incredible twist. For years, this story has dazzled viewers with its violence, gritty, and techno-prisoners, world building and action. In the series, the heroes often lose, and today's ally is tomorrow's enemy. This sets Attack on Titan apart from its shonen peers such as Naruto and One Piece, where the power of friendship always wins the day. Attack on Titan isn't cynical for rejecting those ideas, it's realistic and engaging. The characters are compelling, which also makes the tragedies hit harder. Impressive drama, a complex but tight plot, jaw-dropping animation, and a thrilling soundtrack makes for the memorable adrenaline-soaked adventure. It's easy to see why anime fans are keen to cement it as a GOAT in online ranking. While on the other hand, Fullmetal Alchemist Brotherhood, the second anime adaptation of Hiromu Arakawa's manga, has a bit of everything. Creative and exciting action sequences involving alchemy, a stylish World War I European-style setting, lovable and fun characters, serious drama and heartbreaks, a tense and intricate plot, and heavy themes ranging from forgiveness to the meaning of human life. It manages to fit all of this into 64 half-hour episodes. Fullmetal Alchemist Brotherhood has enough common shonen tropes to be familiar and accessible, but its heavier themes makes the series also feel fresh and creative. This series features many memorable characters and scenes, from Sho Tucker's horrific dog and daughter hybrid experiment, to Roy Mustang's finger snap firepower, to Edward beating a wannabe god into a pulp with his bare hand at the end. All that combined with an outstanding soundtrack and slick animation makes for a series that's difficult to rival, let alone surpass, hence why it is considered as one of the best modern classics for MyAnimeList users. But how can a title earn its place as the first anime series of all time? The criteria varies widely, from nostalgia to timely themes to quality in writing and animation, not to mention artistic vision and emotional impact too. Both Attack on Titan and Fullmetal Alchemist Brotherhood are exceptionally high quality anime. But Fullmetal Alchemist Brotherhood has one clear advantage at this moment, and that advantage is that it's already complete. So viewers already have the full measure of its quality and know its ending struck the landing. Attack on Titan can't beat Fullmetal Alchemist Brotherhood's ending simply because it doesn't have one. Since the series is ongoing and also the manga is ongoing, it's possible, though not necessarily likely, that Attack on Titan's final episodes will fumble with plot and leave a bad taste in viewers, just like Game of Thrones. Right now, Attack on Titan series has a serious hype thanks to its exciting 4th season, but it will need a worthy ending to be in the serious consideration as a true best anime of all time. What are your thoughts about Attack on Titan versus Fullmetal Alchemist for the top spot on the MyAnimeList? Let me know your opinions in the comment section down below. Which anime do you like more, Attack on Titan or Fullmetal Alchemist Brotherhood? Let me know those things in the comment section down below. Subscribe to my YouTube channel because I post daily anime content about top 10 top 5 listings, anime reviews, recommendations and all sort of anime content on daily basis. So if you enjoyed, please subscribe, and that was it, and I will see you in the next one. Sayonara.